Hello class. You have 300 pages of homework to explain how cars function. If you don't do the homework, you will fail my class.
What am I gonna do? Maybe I can watch a tutorial.
Consider a car going in a straight line. The only friction forces that reduce forward motion are rolling resistance and air resistance. Now consider a car steering to the left. A lateral force is generated, pushing the car towards the left and generating a torque on the car. Summing the momentum with the force, we get the direction of travel.
Yes,